CarBench UL300. Car mechanics can now sigh a breath of relief thanks to the advanced CarBench UL300, the only car jack system they will ever need again. It will cost quite a lump sum of $7,000, but if you want your lifting worries to disappear forever, this is the investment you need to make. The modern car lift can lift an impressive 7,700 pounds or 3,500 kilograms, and thanks to its advanced modern technology, it boasts a lifting height of 5.6 feet or 168 centimeters. The system is made from high-quality alloy steel tubing for superior strength, and it manages this impressive service thanks to the advanced European technology in the field. The device is so convenient that a single worker can now effortlessly lift any vehicle up into the air with the press of a button, and your workshop will definitely never be the same. It's estimated that there will be around 1.47 billion cars on the road today, so it's safe to assume that the demand for this ultra-cool gadget will only increase. Mini-Ductor Venom HP. There are very few things as annoying as working on a project and coming across a rusted-in or stripped bolt or nut, but thankfully there is now a tool for exactly this. The circular tool can be attached to any bolt and will provide induction heating to loosen it. The Mini-Ductor Venom HP proves to be a versatile tool though, and it can be used to straighten out small dents in your car's bodywork. It's also great for heating vinyl coating, and the design of the device allows you to heat only the exact part of the material that's needed. Since the tool heats evenly over its entire circumference, you don't have to worry about moving it around either. With only 15 seconds of heating, you'll get any bolt loose with no struggle. And even though the tool is priced at $650, this is a gadget you definitely won't be able to live without. You can also choose between a 1 to 2 kilowatt tool, so it's suitable for any application in your man garage. FlatSafe Storm Shelter. A man's garage is his ultimate man cave, and among garage installations, the FlatSafe Storm Shelter is possibly the best. Hurricanes and tornadoes are a constant concern for Americans, and this is why they are not only designing innovative tools, but also state-of-the-art shelters. More than 2 million people experienced the aftermath of Hurricane Ian in 2022, and to ensure that you can now protect yourself against these natural disasters, a FlatSafe Storm Shelter is the best investment. The galvanized steel framework is buried in the floor of your garage, so you and your family can hide, but it also conveniently doubles as a great access point to drain your car's oil or work on it from underneath. Storm shelters usually cost anything between $3,000 and $10,000, but the FlatSafe team can be contacted for more detailed pricing. Motor Mover 300 Bike Dolly. Moving around a motorcycle in your workshop has always been a somewhat tedious task, but thanks to the invention of the new Motor Mover 300 Bike Dolly, this will now be a piece of cake. In 2022 alone, more than 60.4 million motorcycles were sold, and to put that into perspective, that's basically every person in the country of South Africa buying a bike, and then some. Simply click the device into place, roll your back wheel onto the strip, and put your bike stand down on the Motor Mover 300 Bike Dolly, and you'll have complete mobility and portability of your bike. The wheel device provides incredible maneuverability, and it has the strength to support motorcycles that weigh as much as 1,323 pounds or 600 kilograms. This tool is a complete game changer in workshops where space is limited or motorcycle showrooms. And at only $355, this almost feels like a non-negotiable accessory for every bike owner out there. BendPak Scissor Lift. This next modern car lift might just be what inspires you to buy that project car or open your own workshop. And it's a simple design that anyone will be able to figure out. The BendPak Scissor Lift is priced at around $3,000, but there are definitely a few other, more modestly priced options as well. This model, however, boasts with a remarkable lifting capacity of 2.7 tons or 6,000 pounds, and the lift can raise your vehicle to an impressive 4 feet or 1.2 meters in only 45 seconds. Equalizer TSK 710 Terminator. According to the beloved Terminator movies, cyborg assassins should be popping onto the scene just about any time now. What we have is the Equalizer TSK 710 Terminator, something arguably much cooler. This innovative gadget is a game changer when it comes to windshield repair. All of us have at one point or another experienced a random rock or object on the road, hitting or cracking the windshield. And now this doesn't have to be a huge expense anymore. The Terminator uses vacuum technology to repair cracks, chips, and damages in your windshield. And there is no other tool on the market that offers the same level of automation. With only a few minutes of preparation and setting, you can go about your day while the Equalizer TSK 710 Terminator does the hard job of repairing your windshield. The tool does cost a steep $2,700, but for auto mechanics and car enthusiasts, this is an invaluable investment. ICS Dry Ice Cleaning System. Dry ice is cool for party tricks, but we bet you never thought that it could be used to transform car cleaning. The ICS Dry Ice Cleaning System is a state-of-the-art car device that uses blasting dry ice to clean your car. It's quite compact at only 19 kilograms or 42 pounds, so whether you have a huge workshop or a tight garage, it'll be easy and convenient to use. The blasting nozzle offers an impressive pressure of anything between 2 and 8 bar, and this means that the cleaning system will be suited for everything from plastic to metal surfaces on your car. This is definitely the most effective and safest way to clean your car, and the price of these initially super fancy gadgets has nearly halved to around $7,000. Cleaning your car will definitely never be the same again. Hexagon Lighting. No man cave is complete without some awesome lighting, and this is where the new age Hexagon lighting comes in. Think LED lights only a million times cooler. This lighting company created hexagon-shaped LED lights that cover the entire ceiling, making this ideal for any space you want to transform. Rest assured that the Hexagon lights provide easy installation that is unrivaled, and each Hexagon is made up out of 6 LED lights. While the Hexagon lights came in white, blue, and pink, newer versions now offer RGB versions that even have fancy perks such as remote color control. You can also contact a company for custom designs, and the smallest Hexagon shape measures 38 by 33 inches or 97 by 84 centimeters. The price per piece starts at $84, but with this purchase you can ensure with certainty that you have the coolest man cave or garage on the block. Jemms Nutrunner. The tedious task of loosening multiple lug bolts on every wheel of your car takes forever, but thanks to the Jemms Nutrunner, you can now do this simultaneously with a cool futuristic gadget. The tool can remove multiple bolts and lugs at the same time, and since it has so many configuration options, it'll truly be the perfect tool for every job. The Jemms Nutrunner can be used for drilling, countersinking, or tapping, and the multi-spindle attachments ensure that you can now work smarter and not harder. Every spindle rotates at the exact same time and speed to ensure cohesive and reliable work. And to be honest, who wouldn't want to do work 5 times as fast? The Nutrunner attachment can be bought for around $175, but this is quite the specialized tool that you won't find in every man's garage. Wheel Slogger. Any man who has ever had to change a tire on heavy equipment such as a truck, a harvester, or tractor knows that this is truly no easy feat. The gadget is created to simplify the wheel removing and mounting of huge equipment, and it provides the user an easy way to adjust the torque anywhere between 450 and 650 Newton meters. This means that the days of struggling with long levers you need to push with your entire body are long gone, and so are the dangers that are associated with these tools. This convenient and versatile gadget will ensure that changing a tire is something that one man can now do by himself. It even works great in confined spaces. The company makes 1,000 Newton meter models for even heavier equipment, and there's a spark-free model as well that's fitted with a copper impact head for maximum efficiency. As an industrial tool, this is something that every man needs. .3D Wheel Alignment Stand. Wheel alignment is one of the most important parts of tuning a car, and when you want to ensure that there is minimal wear and tear on your tires and that your car is as safe as can be on the road, proper wheel alignment is non-negotiable. The 3D Wheel Alignment Stand is the pinnacle of next-generation technology, and wheel alignments have never been this accurate before. When your car goes up on the stand, high-resolution cameras and special targets are placed on the wheels. By using a smart system, it creates the suspension of the car on the computer screen, and you can then adjust the alignment as needed. This machine provides real-time feedback and allows precise alignment down to the degree, and all this is done with the interactive alignment system displayed on the screen. The 3D alignment stand can be used after installation, and there's no need for fancy and complicated calibration. This machine is definitely revolutionary for any man's garage, but be warned that this will cost you a steep $15,000 on the entry level. Laser Tools CV Bootgun. Installing CV boots used to be one of the trickiest tasks on a vehicle, but thanks to the laser tool CV Bootgun, this will never take you more than a few seconds again. The revolutionary tool uses compressed air to stretch out the mechanism that holds the CV boot, allowing the user to easily insert it. The entire tutorial on how to use the Bootgun is less than 5 minutes, so you'll be able to use this incredibly advanced tool in no time. CV joints are under immense pressure when the car is moving, and to ensure full function of these joints, it's essential to ensure that your boots aren't worn down or torn. This tool has been so successful that the manufacturer even recommends it for professional workshop use, which means that you can invest in a pro-level tool for only $248. Bear in mind that the tool works best on flexible CV joints though. MAXSA Parking Mat. A recent driving study in England concluded that, wait for it, yes, women are actually better at parking. 77% of women scored in the good or very good category when it came to parking, as opposed to 56% of men. Now, if you're looking for the perfect gift for someone who is not the best at parking, the MAXSA Parking Mat will be ideal. These mats are simple to attach in any garage or parking lot, and with only a bit of glue or screws, you'll never struggle to find the perfect parking spot again. The device measures at 21.5 by 11 inches, or 55 by 28 centimeters, and at only $20, this is an absolute steal. The specially designed mats are designed to also stop water or dirt from the tire clogging up on the mat, and with clever reflective strips, they'll even provide amazing parking assistance in the dark. Car look sofa. We bet you never thought furniture and cars could integrate, but as it turns out, there are many ways to creatively use car parts in your home's furniture. People have made everything from car desks, pool tables, and beds. But today we'll take a look at something that'll definitely impress all your friends. Have you ever thought of taking a part of your car's body, slapping some cushioning inside, and making a one-of-a-kind sofa? Well, now you can, and you will actually be able to find quite a lot of car sofa hybrids online. A sofa made from a Ford Mustang body can sell for as much as $3,000, even if you got into a fender bender and can't drive it again. This is proof that there are many creative things you can build using pieces of your car. Gator Mega Hooks. The future of hooks is finally here, and while hooks are the last garage tool you would expect to experience a modern tech transformation, you'll definitely be impressed by these Gator Mega Hooks. Whether you are a car enthusiast or need help organizing your outdoor gear, these incredible hooks will do the job. They can be attached to metal surfaces, and thanks to the incredibly strong magnet inside these hooks, they will be able to hold anything with ease. If you need to go the extra step, the company sells a metal back plate that you can mount in your garage to create a convenient space for all your hooks. The hooks come in two different sizes, 3 and 4.5 inches, or 7.6 or 11.3 centimeters, and they boast with an impressive weight capacity of 50 pounds, or 22.7 kilograms, making them the only storage hooks you'll ever need. The project idea was so popular that the company raised over $24,000, and now you can buy your very own Gator Mega Hook for only $21. Max MX PP3 5T. The Max MX PP3 5T is the best in modern jack technology, and if you want to upgrade your home or professional workshop with the ultimate man tool, this is the one. The versatile pneumatic jack is exceptional for car repair shops working with different types of cars, since it is ideal even for cars with low-grade clearance. This new-age jack boasts a number of cool features, like a safety mechanism that allows you to disconnect the jack from the pump without risking your car suddenly falling down. This is done by using a modern two-way valve system. The device is nice and compact while still providing an impressive 6 to 10 bar of pressure, enough to lift around 7,700 pounds or 3,500 kilograms. To ensure that car workshop labor is more convenient than ever, the jack is also equipped with wheels for easy movement, and it only weighs around 44 pounds or 20 kilograms. It can raise a car up to 16 inches or 40 centimeters, and at only $103, there's no doubt that you should add this to your Amazon cart right away. SP Tools Mechanics Garage Creeper SPR78. If you have ever wanted the mechanics version of an office chair, SP Tools Mechanics Garage Creeper SPR78 is the answer. The Creeper is a 3-wheeled platform that now makes the job of working on cars easier than ever before. It has adjustable ground clearance and rugged wheels to ensure the user can enjoy going over obstacles with ease. The adjustable height of the stool means that it can be set to a variety of working heights, and it even has 2 armrests for comfort and a soft polyurethane headrest. Rest assured that this comfort comes with reliability as well, since the product can support 500 pounds or 226 kilograms, and it will only cost you around $375, which is nothing compared to the working support and comfort it provides. GREBO Hebetechnik. Car enthusiasts, whether at motor shows or dealerships, the GREBO Hebetechnik is a cutting-edge new tool that everyone needs to see. The patented design from Germany is the ultimate tool for lifting cars, in your garage or wherever you are really. And for the first time, this job will be easy as pie for even just one person. The stand has a lifting capacity of 4,630 pounds or 2,100 kilograms, and it can manage a safe lifting height of 3.3 feet or 100 centimeters, which is the perfect height to get to all the parts underneath your car when needed. The great thing about the GREBO Hebetechnik is that it can be set up and used within a couple of minutes since there are no overly complex mechanisms. It's as simple and straightforward as it gets. The design even has rubber inserts that'll keep your car from scratching. The manufacturers really did think of everything, and this lift will work perfectly with one of those cool mechanic office chairs. The new age lift will also cost a reasonable $963. The engine table. Die-hard fans of motorsports all remember and love the iconic engine table from Top Gear, and even since the show aired, all of us have wanted to have an engine coffee table. The original was made from a Jaguar V12 engine, but the possibilities are truly endless. Most engine tables you can now buy online are made from V6 and V8 engines, but the custom design possibilities means that you can have your very own unique engine table, and rest assured that this will be an impressive party piece your friends cannot get enough of. Some of these tables can even be turned on and will run basic functions, like driving the belts, making for one of the world's first super interactive coffee tables. You can buy a replica of the Top Gear table for around $3,000, but for fancier models you can expect to pay anywhere from $5,500 and up. FloTool RhinoRamps. Thanks to the innovative FloTool RhinoRamps, you'll never have to awkwardly scuttle underneath your car to change the oil again. And with these two simple ramps, raising your car will never be a hassle again. Simply drive onto the two ramps with your front wheel and put your car in park. Even though the ramps are made from a modern polymer, they might be stronger than even steel. And these two front wheel ramps can carry a combined weight of 12,000 pounds or 5,443 kilograms, which is a super impressive feat. With a max version of the ramps, the carrying load rises to 16,000 pounds or 7,257 kilograms. FloTool RhinoRamps are designed with an angle of only 17 degrees, and this means that even vehicles with extremely low ground clearance will be able to safely make it up and down them. The ramps have a nestable design for easy stacking and storage, which means they also won't be taking up unnecessary space in your garage. At only $50 per set of FloTool RhinoRamps, this is one of the best garage investments we have seen by far. Homemade car ramp. While there are hundreds of innovative gadget tools on the market, one might argue that there are just as many amazing homemade gadgets. This next homemade car ramp is the perfect example of this, and the inventive man behind this design decided that he was perfectly capable of building his own ramps. Simply drive the wheels onto the ramps and then the magic happens. The jack works in unison with the ramps to provide an effortless lift of 9 inches or 23 centimeters. The rapid pump ensures that lifting your car will be quick and easy, and the extra wide steel rollers provide perfect stability. You probably won't find this for sale anywhere, but you could probably get the design from this guy. Garage Smart Drop Tools. Smart technology has pretty much revolutionized our homes, and now you can invest in smart tools for your garage as well. Garage Smart Drop Tools is a range of cutting-edge garage accessories that will definitely make your lift much easier. There are nearly 1.5 billion cars in the world currently, and this company has tapped into the market with all the garage installations you could ever need. This includes a lighting and sound system to listen to music, a parking assist, and even a pump for your tires, or inflatables when needed with a 25-foot or 8-meter hose. The hose can maintain an impressive 125 or 8.5 atmosphere of pressure. There is even a gate sensor and an extension cord of the same length. These tools can conveniently be secured to your roof, but there's more. Thanks to new age technology, all the smart tools can be controlled using your smartphone, and you're dead sure that this installation will ensure you have the coolest garage on the block. The full set is priced at around $600. LED light tunnel. Car detailing is a very meticulous job, and since this includes everything from washing and polishing to applying protective coatings, as well as interior and engine cleaning, this means that there will be a whole lot of awkward nooks and crannies you'll need to see into. Enter the LED light tunnel, the most advanced auto mechanic shop lighting we have ever seen. These advanced lights now have a good color rendering index, which means that the person doing the detailing will be able to see what the final result will look like in the sunlight and other conditions, without having to take the car anywhere. The LED light tunnel is designed to combine various factors such as angle, brightness, and color temperature to provide comprehensive lighting that will never leave you getting annoyed at the person holding your flashlight again. This will be a significant investment though, since even the cheaper mass-produced versions of these lights can cost upward of $2,000. Guardsman Garage Barrier. Absolutely no one is immune to theft, and car owners have even found their cars being stolen out of their garage. From John Travolta to Miley Cyrus, even celebrities have stories of their cars being stolen. And now you can buy a gadget for your garage that ensures your car will be safe and sound at all times. The Guardsman Garage Barrier is a simple yet state-of-the-art garage protection system, and it's essentially just a mini barrier that spans over the entrance of your garage to ensure that no car or bike is leaving when you're not there. The system is fitted with an alarm system and a siren that will alert you to any suspicious activity. The garage barrier can protect a distance of 9 feet or 2.7 meters, and at only $583. This is a remarkable safety investment. As an added bonus, it doesn't take much space and has a 10-year warranty. The safety barrier is made from 0.1 inches or 3.3 centimeters thick steel bars, and it can easily support the weight of 3 people. It can even send notifications to your smartphone. BeadBuster XB 452. Thanks to the BeadBuster team, struggling to remove tires from the rim is something that you can now forget about. And the XB 452 tool will be the only gadget you need to remove tires from rims. It works on any vehicle from normal cars to go-karts to huge commercial trucks, and regardless of your rim or tire material, this will be the ultimate solution every time. It weighs less than 4 pounds or 2 kilograms, and its small nature makes it an ideal portable tool for any crew to carry around. The clever clamp design ensures that there is no risk of accidentally scratching your rims, and this patented tool is definitely taking the auto mechanic world by storm. At only $149, every man can afford to add this to his garage. Overhead storage racks. Our next innovative tool solves one of the endless problems in your garage: storage. Even the most organized of us have a few boxes stored out in the garage. And with the overhead storage racks, you can now utilize space in your garage that has always been empty before. The shelves of the storage racks are fastened to the ceiling, and they can move back and forth and up and down. For the part of us that wants to play with tech-savvy gadgets, the fact that it's controlled from your smartphone is a major bonus. The storage racks can support up to 350 pounds or 149 kilograms, which means you'll basically be able to store just about anything your heart desires. The storage racks can be raised to about 12 feet or 4 meters, ensuring they will fit perfectly into any garage space. You can now even have a workshop that slides down from the ceiling. How cool must that be? There are 15 different main design options, and prices differ, but thankfully the company now provides free consultations to find your perfect overhead storage solution. QuietCool GA ES-1500. All the years of development in the fan industry have led to one single product, the QuietCool GA ES-1500 fan, which is the last fan you'll ever need. Whether you have a stuffy garage, a basement man cave, or need to work in the attic, no poorly ventilated area in your house will be an issue anymore. The fan has such strong air circulating abilities that it's able to replace the air in your garage every 3 or 4 minutes. This is an absolute game changer for men in their garages who often work with chemicals and fumes. But the best part of this leading fan is that it's incredibly economical, and running it at full blast will only set you back a few cents every hour. The modern fan is also fitted with a special valve that prevents the spread of fire, and it comes with a ventilation grid that's about 16 by 16 inches or 41 by 41 centimeters big. A single one of these fans will cost you about $450, but fear not, as manufacturers state that this investment will pay itself off in only 3 years. Gebuwin Pulley Man. Every man needs a winch at one point or another in their life, so why not ensure you always have a portable one on hand? The Gebuwin Pulley Man is everything you'll ever need and more. It's small enough to be carried around in a case, and it's powered by a cordless drill. The winch comes with a 12-meter or 39 feet long cable, but it can be extended to 50 meters or 164 feet. It's fitted with a modern self-locking brake system that ensures completely safe operation, and it's very ergonomic, weighing in at only 9 pounds or 4 kilograms. With a drill attached, the drill can operate at a speed of 12 feet or 3.7 meters per second, and with an impressive weightlifting capacity of 1,320 pounds or 600 kilograms. This portable winch is making waves in the construction and garage gadget industry, and at only $623 for the entry-level model. It's clear that everyone should be saving up to invest in the winch. Carbon CBR. With so many traffic accidents happening just about every day, it feels like such a waste to let these cars simply sit on a scrap heap. Germany, having had over 1 million accidents of their own in 2022, decided to come up with a solution that'll allow you to repair instead of replacing car parts. The Carbon CBR tools are made with an innovative honeycomb structure. The carbon fiber inserts ensure that they are lightweight, yet incredibly strong. With these tools, you can work on an aluminum or steel body as wide as 5.2 feet or 1.6 meters without getting fatigued. And the company even offers comprehensive training on how the tools should be used. The company has now even partnered with huge names such as Porsche, Audi, and Scania. And before you know it, this will be the ultimate toolkit every man needs to complete his garage. EzCarLift. The next car lift is a bit more affordable at $1,900, and it's called the EzCarLift, and you can trust that it will definitely make your daily life out in your garage much easier. With an impressive lifting weight of 4,400 pounds or 2 tons, it can lift a car up to 66 centimeters or 26 inches in only 1.5 minutes. Talk about budget efficiency. The lift creates a super comfortable space underneath the vehicle to do all the mechanical work you need to. On-floor scissor lift. Another incredible lift called the on-floor scissor lift has to get a mention in this countdown, since you can never have too many options when upgrading your garage. This model can lift an impressive 6,600 pounds or 3 tons, and with a lifting height of 6 feet or 1.8 meters, there's not many lifts that can compete. When buying wholesale, you can get your hands on one of these for only $2,800. AutoAuto. The AutoAuto is an any tire fitter's dream, but let's be honest, who wouldn't want this amazing gadget for their garage? With the AutoAuto, the days of needing several different tools to remove and replace tires are long gone, and this base can fit all the different attachments you need. Are you in need of an impact wrench? No worries, this one can provide 100 Newton meters of torque, and if you're in need of a pump, don't worry, it's got you covered as well. The powerful pump can pump 9 gallons or 35 liters per minute, which is way impressive. User-friendliness was a main concern when designing this versatile tool, and this is why each function simply needs to be activated with a button. Every tool is pre-fitted with 4 different sized hex heads, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, and 0.9 inches, or 17, 19, 21, and 23 millimeters. This modern tire tool will cost around $400, but trust that it will revolutionize the way you change tires forever. Creepex The Beast. We're pretty confident in betting that any man or auto mechanic would pay quite a price for some much-needed comfort while working. And to take the grueling strain out of this profession, there is no better gadget than the Creepex The Beast. The chair was designed and made in Canada, and the idea was to provide supporting seating for all the awkward working positions you may be faced with while working on a vehicle or any kind of equipment really. These incredible new-age chairs can adjust from anywhere between 10 and 75 degrees, and this is done by using a motor that's powered by double 18V batteries. Thanks to the trays on the side to hold your tools and the robust wheels, you'll be able to slide over to any part of your workshop with ease. It's important to note that these chairs are made to order and take around 10 weeks to be completed, but rest assured that this is a lifelong investment that will change the way you are able to work forever. You can get your hands on a Creepex for only $4,000, but you can order custom models that will naturally be a bit pricier. AHCON DSL 3500 Double Scissor Lift. Any man who wants a serious auto shop needs a scissor lift, and thanks to the leading engineers from Denmark who created the AHCON DSL 3500 Double Scissor Lift, getting your very own scissor lift is no longer a near impossible task. This revolutionary lift has an impressive lifting capacity of 7,700 pounds or 3,500 kilograms, and this means that you'll be able to lift a car or a minivan without any worries. The Double Scissor Lift is equipped with a quick release connection system, and it's so easy to set up that you and your friends will be able to set it up in no time. This new age lift can lift vehicles up to a height of 6.4 feet or 195 centimeters to provide a great working height. As an added bonus, it also has an adjustable platform width. That means it can be adapted to suit any DIY project. BlueCave storage system. One of the most common problems men encounter in their garages is clutter, and it can be incredibly difficult to find a space for every small object and tool. Well, as this has now changed, the BlueCave storage system stands out as the most innovative storage tool that will solve every man's garage organization issues forever. This is a 2-in-1 storage solution that can easily be customized to suit every man's needs. The drawers of the BlueCave storage system double as wall lockers and carrying cases, and you'll soon find that this is the most versatile storage system on the market. The BlueCave storage system stands out for being highly adaptable and easy to customize to your workshop needs. And at only $140 for this set, it's truly a steal. Whether you have a professional or DIY car workshop, are a camping enthusiast, or a fishing lover, this storage system is the answer you've been looking for. It can even be mounted inside your car for incredible organization on the go. If there's one cool modern storage solution that's definitely worth the investment, it's the amazing BlueCave storage system. Rima Tip Top. If you're looking for the ultimate car tire repair partner, look no further than Rima Tip Top, who are single-handedly transforming tire repair as we know it. When you run into a flat tire, Rima Tip Top will be at the ready with vulcanizing heat presses to seal your tire with new rubber, as well as state-of-the-art balancing technology and tire repair patches that will ensure a flat tire is never a headache again. The Rima Tip Top patch will get you back on the road about 40% quicker, and it's so easy to use, anyone will be able to fix their tire. This patch ensures that no extra ventilation equipment is needed, and its rugged durability will surely get you where you need to go. The special adhesion compound is tested and certified on tires that need to withstand extreme conditions. So even if you're out in the wilderness, there's no reason to worry. You can get a set of patches for around $50. And this company has been so successful that they made over $1 billion in sales in the year of 2020. WDT 250 Water Drain Cleaning Tool. Did you know that you're supposed to clean your air ducts and drain holes in your car at least a couple times a year? Well, there's now a tool that will do the job for you. Dirt always manages to squeeze into these crevices, and with this wire tool, no small tube will be a problem again. The wire has textile fibers and is quite flexible, and when attached to the cordless drill or screwdriver, it offers incredible cleaning. It comes with the mounts for these, of course. This is a compact and easy-to-use tool that will quickly become a staple in every man's garage, and at $450, it's the perfect birthday or Father's Day gift. Australian turntables. The land down under has given us many great things, but one of the most recent innovations is called an Australian turntable. And trust us, by the end of this description, you're definitely going to want one. These spinning platforms are strong enough to rotate an entire concert hall, but these versions are the perfect size for your garage or home. This leading parking solution is ideal for when you're in a bit of a crunch with space, and it's become so popular that it's now even being adopted in countries like Canada and Singapore. The entire platform will cost you roughly $20,000, but when compared to the hundreds of thousands of dollars that it often costs for parking spaces in the busiest spots in Sydney, this is a clear no-brainer. Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile floor jack. Next up is the jack to revolutionize all jacks. And for your upcoming Amazon search, it's known as the Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile floor jack. The jack works with an ergonomic and convenient handle that measures in at 3.17 feet or 114 centimeters. It's easily pushed down to raise the jack, and thanks to the easy design it has, getting your car lifted will be quicker than ever before. The jack can raise cars about 2 feet or 60 centimeters off the ground, which is more than enough for you to reach all the difficult places you've always struggled with. This version has an impressive lifting capability of 6,600 pounds, or 3 tons, so you have absolute peace of mind that your car is steady and secure. The Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile floor jack is one of the best and easiest to use on the market, offering stability and simplicity, and it will only cost you a mere $140. Astra Mini-Lift X1. We kick off the list of pro mechanic tools for your workshop with a crazy invention from the Spanish company Astra. The Mini-Lift X1 is widely considered the ultimate car jack. Even though it was only released in 2016, it's already being used as far and wide as Japan. So you know that investing in one will be a decision you never look back from. Its standout feature is that it can work on low ground clearance vehicles, so much so that it's one of the lowest lifts in the whole world. When folded down, it reaches a height of only 3.8 inches or 9.5 centimeters. Whether you need it for outdoor or indoor use, it will be able to handle any job. The lift has an impressive support capacity of 6,613 pounds, or 3 tons. It can also lift your vehicle from the rear or the front. The lifting height is about 3.3 feet or 100 centimeters. If you're pressed for space, this lift will do everything you need for around $3,000. Do you feel like you could use a magic wand sometimes? Well, stay tuned. BeadBuster Magic Wand. From golf ball size hailstones to accidental bumps with the shopping cart, our cars are always vulnerable to damage and dents in the body. Thankfully, this no longer has to be a disaster every time it happens. The BeadBuster Magic Wand will do a seamless job of removing even the tiniest of dents. The innovative and high-powered head has the ability to focus precisely on the desired pulling area. And the best part, anyone can use it. And the simple tutorial video will show you everything you need to get started. When making this workshop upgrade, you will get a kit that includes a 16.4 foot or 5 meter cable to ensure you can even reach the roof of your car without any effort. The tool has a specialized handle that will ensure work is not strenuous. And to make the deal even more compelling, the manufacturers offer a range of accessories to make it your own. The kit has a price of $2,600. When all the dents are removed, you'll need some help moving your motorcycle stand around, and there's few comparisons to Sealy. Mechanical Jaw Puller's Easy Pull. The Easy Pull is a tool that definitely deserves your attention. It's the one and only tool you'll need for dismounting bearings. The mechanical jaw pullers feel like a secret spy tool, and thanks to its innovative ring design, you will now be able to operate the tool using only one hand. The amazing tool comes in different models, offering 60, 80, and 120 kilonewtons of force, and the base model weighs in at only 9 pounds or 4 kilograms. Many of the models can be upgraded by inserting a central screw that has a built-in force generator. The tool does not only offer peak quality performance, but it also offers incredible safety guarantees and minimizes the risk of injury and errors on the job. As if this was not cool enough, the tool also offers self-centering as well as self-locking grips that make it stand out. It does have a price tag of at least $440 for the base model, but it's definitely worth the investment. Jaw pullers are great, but to complete your set, don't miss our upcoming slide hammer. Sealy Motorcycle Center Stand Moving Dolly. One of the biggest issues with owning a motorcycle is how to efficiently move it around, and this is why Sealy has created the Motorcycle Center Stand Moving Dolly. This gadget truly is the answer to all your problems. Whether you're in the showroom or a home workshop, the compact platform will not take up much space. Its 4 wheels can all rotate 360 degrees, so moving it around will be incredibly easy. It's got extra features like a non-slip rubber pad and a built-in braking mechanism, which will definitely come in handy. The stand is remarkably strong and rugged thanks to 0.2 inch or 0.5 centimeter thick tempered steel. The maneuverability of the device is impressive, but it's definitely cool to look at too. The entire thing weighs only around 18 pounds or 8 kilograms, and it can support 660 pounds or 300 kilograms of weight. Consumers warn to check that it supports your bike model before buying though. The price averages around $70. What would you say about a socket tool that can replace over 24 tools? Don't go anywhere. Vitakraft F001. The F001 is a tool that you will definitely need to put on your garage list as well. It's a new age slide hammer that will ensure removing dents from your car body is easy as pie. What's great about this tool is that it allows you to repair panels without taking them off of your car, saving invaluable amounts of time and money. The hammer attaches to the car with a 5.9 inch or 15 centimeter vacuum suction cup. This design promises zero damage to the paint or the finish. It's made from tool steel and is a compact 23.4 inches or 59.4 inches long. You connect the tool to a pressurized air source using the quick disconnect adapter and you're ready to work. Laser Tools Brake Disc Lip Removal Tool. Statistics show that as many as 22% of all accidents are caused by faulty brakes. This is why it's so important to keep your brakes in good condition. With the Laser Tools Brake Disc Slip Removal Tool. This is something that you can do yourself. The UK company created this tool to easily remove dirt, rust, and corrosion from your brake's edges. All you need to do is to attach the tool to your wheel hub using a special tool. Weighing in at only 1.4 pounds or 0.6 kilograms, it will definitely be one of the most compact tools you can get your hands on. It will easily fit into near any toolbox or bag. While it is possible to work alone, if you're looking for optimal performance and results, it works best with 2 people. It's definitely a game changer though, at a price of only $200. Don't miss out on our cool hydraulic lift that's going to follow. Socket Pro. Today, tools that can perform multiple tasks are all the hype, and it's not hard to see why. The Socket Pro is a replacement for more than 30 different sockets and bits, so it'll clear up a ton of space in your toolbox for more advanced tools. The flexible adjustment of this tool allows it to work between 0.4 and 0.7 inches, or 1 to 1.8 centimeters, so you'll be able to do just about any project. The great thing is that it can even work around damaged or rusted bolts. The cleverly designed head of this tool provides equal force all around, so the worry of smoothing corners on your bolt that will slip is a worry of the past. The manufacturer guarantees that this tool will be able to handle much more strain than analogs too, and you can even use it with only one hand. It's quick and easy to assemble. OEM Tools 24859 Air Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift. Traditional bike lifts are cool and all, but why not take it a step further with OEM Tools and their 24859 Air Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift. This is a superb lift at a great price that still has premium features. The lift can handle motorcycles weighing as much as 1,000 pounds or 453 kilograms, and the impressive lift height of 30 inches or 76 centimeters will ensure working on your bike is super straightforward. The durable lift is made from steel and even comes with a removable ramp. As an added bonus, it also has belt loops and a front wheel retainer that can be infinitely adjusted. Extras include a rear wheel dropout panel, a stopping system, and felt padding. All this for a mere $730 is a serious bargain. German inventions always pique our interest, and their mobile lift will not disappoint. Mobile Gebuwin Pulley Man FHB 3500. Germany is a world leader in most tools and gadgets, so it's only expected that they'd have their own version of a mobile lift. The FHB 3500 will definitely impress with its versatile functionality and weight capacity of 7,716 pounds, or 3,500 kilograms. Whether you need an outside car stand or want to display cars in a showroom or museum, this one will not disappoint. The lift ensures mechanics have easy access to the undercarriage of the car, and it doesn't get in the way when opening doors. This, paired with the remarkable 76-inch or 193-centimeter lifting height, makes it the ideal car lift for beginners and pros alike. The gadget has a signature U-shape and a telescopic swivel arm for a totally secure hold, and it doesn't even need to be bolted or attached to the floor. Simply position it and you'll be ready to start lifting. It is exceptionally expensive at $21,400. BeadBuster. Getting tires onto the rim is not always the easiest task, especially if you're dealing with huge vehicles used in construction or agriculture. This is why tools like the BeadBuster exist, and it's bound to completely transform the job. The BeadBuster was created by an American company to ensure that tire fitting, even on commercial equipment, can be done without causing a headache. The bead seater comes in at a weight of only 28 pounds or 12.7 kilograms, and the tank that can hold 10 gallons or 37.8 liters is coated with a special lining that protects it from rust and corrosion. The device is made from aluminum for extra durability, and by using drawn-in air, it completes tire fitting exceptionally efficiently. The long handle makes work comfortable and simple, and the gadget has become so widely popular that the manufacturer has filed a number of patents. The price tag is $349. AutoLift 3000. The AutoLift 3000 is the next step in modern lifts that makes lifting cars a total piece of cake. The lift simply needs to be hooked up to an electric drill, and this gives you the strength needed to lift everything from vans to pickup trucks. The AutoLift 3000 boasts a lifting height of 25 inches, or 63.5 centimeters, and this can be done in as little as 30 seconds. The weight limit that you can lift with this device is a whopping 6,600 pounds or 3 tons, and the advantage is in the fact that the system does not use hydraulic power to lift the vehicles, but rather 2 gear units that provide excellent leverage. The lift weighs a hefty 95 pounds or 43 kilograms, but it offers undeniable versatility from use in repair shops to car washes and just about everything in between. The kit includes a lift and special side step pads for comfort. The lift also has adjustable skids to tailor it to any project and comes in at a price of $1,700. Do you want to be fancy when working with big tires? Don't go anywhere. Martin's Industries 6-bar Tire Inflation Cage, IPS. This next tool is definitely a step up from your run-of-the-mill BeadBuster. The Martin's Industries 6-bar Tire Inflation Cage IPS will definitely be the talk of the day. With this crazy machine, you simply roll your tire into the cage, and like magic, it does everything for you. The all-in-one system ensures that the operator can inflate the tire and properly seat it on the rim with the touch of a button. The model weighs in at 366 pounds or 166 kilograms, but this is because it is adapted to handle bus and truck tires with a diameter as big as 47 inches or 119 centimeters. The parameters of the tire can be inputted into the system, and you can then stand back as the smart cage takes care of the job. All you need is to connect the tire to the inflation system. The cage is equipped with rollers to easily inflate tires, and this is the ultimate investment if you want to say goodbye to back pain and aches from working on huge tires. You will have to fork out a pretty penny though, at a price tag of $3,700. AutoAuto HTS 708. Some cleaning tools are already pretty advanced, but have you ever thought of cleaning with dry ice? Probably not. And this is why we are introducing the revolutionary AutoAuto HTS 708. This cleaning system uses dry ice technology to blast dirt away without posing any risk to the environment. Another benefit of this tool is that it has the ability to decontaminate the surface you're working on, removing bacteria such as Listeria and E. coli. The cleaning does not have an abrasive effect and won't cause any damage, and it's ideal for equipment and sensitive cleanups. The tool weighs a sturdy 132 pounds or 59.8 kilograms and holds roughly 16 pounds or 7.2 kilograms of dry ice. The speed and pressure that it exerts will be finely controlled by smart microcomputers, so precise cleaning is guaranteed. The tool comes with a 16-foot or 4.8 meter long hose, and the price is $2,599. You'll definitely need a tool for working with compression springs, but we have a solution for this too. Strut Coil Spring Compressor Tool. Next, we move on to the more dangerous part of working on your car, the coil springs. Thankfully, the Strut Coil Spring Compressor Tool is there to assist with this job. The entire tool and case weighs in at 30 pounds, or 13.6 kilograms, and it ensures you can work on compression springs without constant nerves. In case you're new to all of this, a detailed manual is included that will guide you through the entire process. It works optimally with a bench vise, and the entire thing is made from heavy-duty steel to ensure the highest levels of safety and strength. Some users do warn about scratches and small dents in the springs, but it definitely will keep them firmly in place. The price is roughly $400. Blackhawk BH 2019. The Blackhawk BH 2019 is a tool that comes to us from the well-known manufacturer Equalizer. This glass-working tool is ideal to remove car windows quickly and safely. The modern tool boasts several advantages, such as precise control in tight spaces and ergonomic handle. With the battery included, the entire thing weighs only 11 pounds, or 4.9 kilograms. It comes with an instruction manual, and when buying the kit for $770, you'll be getting a range of benefits. The kit includes the wireless tool, a battery, as well as a charger. Included is also a blade and protective goggles, so you can get right to work. The tool has a powerful brushless motor, as well as a built-in LED light, so it's clear that the manufacturer anticipated every need you may have. Do you want to see another awesome glassworking tool from Sidekick? Sidekick Deluxe Glass Setting Kit JSK 757. Here we have another cool tool for windshield installation, and it will definitely make you feel like you're on Pimp My Ride. With the Sidekick Deluxe Glass Setting Kit JSK 757, you'll be able to install windshield all by yourself. It also ensures you don't have to spend tedious time on fine-tuning and meticulously measuring the windshield. The vacuum suction cup will be easy to use for beginners and pros, and it is cleverly designed to not do any damage to either the car or the glass. The great thing about the installation is that it will be quick and require no prior skill, and the ergonomic handles will ensure work is a breeze. It works great for both rear and front windows and has a price tag of $524. Quick Jack. While many of the jacks on our list are cool, don't you wish you had one that could work with only the touch of a button? With the Quick Jack, you won't need to bother with tedious assembly and complex adjustments. This innovative jack is available in various models, and to find out which one is perfect for your car, the manufacturer offers a special calculator. The practical and compact lift is only 3 inches high when folded, and it impresses with a 7,000-pound or 3.1-ton lifting capacity. The propulsion system of this jack has the ability to lift your car up to 21 inches or 53 centimeters off the ground, and the automatic locking system ensures that you can count on complete safety. The nifty device can be folded up and stored against the wall to be out of the way when not in use, and at a starting price of $1,440, it's a sure investment. Do you need a way to keep all your new inventive tools in order? Stay tuned. BeadBuster XB 550. Here we have another tool for beating tires, but rest assured that the BeadBuster XB 550 is unlike any other. This is yet another amazing USA-made tool that is useful to mechanics in every industry. The compact tool weighs 6.7 pounds or 3 kilograms and can service tires of up to 35 inches or 88.9 centimeters. This means that it's ideal for regular vehicles, farm tractors, and even monster trucks. The clever clamping mechanism ensures that you won't be left with scratches and dents after using the tool. And best of all, it does not require any power source to run. No batteries, fuel, or electricity is needed. The design is patented, and it's more flexible and more affordable than most other options on the market. It might not be compatible with all makes and models, so be sure to check this. The price is $249. MagnaPeg. There are so many tools you can get your hands on, but the issue of how to efficiently store them all now arises. The MagnaPeg is definitely what you need. This pegboard is easily installed into your workshop, and the standard package includes 3 standard holders. The inserts are equipped with strong magnets to securely hold any tool you need a space for, whether it be pliers, screwdrivers, or anything in between. One holder is about 2 by 2 inches or 5 by 5 centimeters in size, and it will be the ideal addition to make your workshop more organized at only $19. After you've sorted your organization out, a strong flashlight is another must-have, and the Matco we have coming up definitely impresses. TCE 4-post car lift. Do you need a car lift that will fit into your workshop or garage that is a bit limited for space? The TCE 4-post car lift is definitely the answer, since this 4-post car lift will be a dream for space saving. The impressive lifting capacity of 7,000 pounds or 3.1 tons, up to 89 inches or 226 centimeters high, will ensure that you can park multiple cars in the same shop or garage. It takes about 70 seconds to lift the vehicle to full height, but rest assured that this will be completely safe. This is thanks to the commercial-grade safety system, as well as the locking mechanism that ensures you can leave your car on the stand without losing a wink of sleep. It comes with a removable tilting ramp as removable wheels, and this means that you'll be able to move the entire thing around without too much trouble. The narrow design is ideal when space is a concern, and whether you want to load jet skis, boats, motorcycles, or cars, it will not let you down. The price tag is $2,788. Matco UHWL 1000. How often do you encounter a product that you love so much you would literally make excuses to use it? This flashlight promises to be that good and claims to not only outshine its competitors both in brightness and coverage area, but versatility too. It offers 3 operating modes and can be rotated to find the perfect angle of illumination. Plus, it comes equipped with a 5,200 mAh battery, so you can enjoy 3 to 7 hours of uninterrupted use and shine a light output ranging from 350 to 1000 lumens the entire time. You can change the length of the model from 47 to 69 inches or 119.4 to 175.3 centimeters. And the unique hooks guarantee a firm hold without leaving any marks. The ultra-durable aluminum and ABS plastic casing is built to withstand practically any challenge, from bumps, drops, and scrapes to extreme temperature changes. We're talking about 23 to 104 degree Fahrenheit or -5 to +40 degrees Celsius here. The price is $210. Wren Stand by SafeJack. It turns out that you only need around 14 pounds or 6.35 kilograms of steel and one very creative team of people to come up with a way to make the sometimes tricky task of changing a tire much safer and easier. The masterminds behind the already patented design of the SafeJack believe that they have achieved just that. This American-made system can be set up in just a few minutes, has a lifting ranging from 11.5 to 16.5 inches or 29.2 to 41.9 centimeters. It's small enough to toss in the trunk when you're done, and it has no problems with cars weighing up to 6,000 pounds or 3 tons. Plans for the future include making versions for vehicles ranging 9,000 to 20,000 pounds or 4.5 and 10 tons as well. All in all, the SafeJack seems like a pretty great tool to have with you. The price is only $200. Up next is a brake working system approved by many of the major names. AutoComp Delete. Having a good set of brakes is not only about stopping power, but it can also greatly influence your car's maneuverability. That's why it is so vital for both brake tuning and edge cleaning to be done really well, and for you to find a trustworthy tool to help you with this crucial task. With over 75 years of experience, Hunter Engineering is a trusted leader in tire and wheel care and maintenance, and this tool is one of their best. The AutoComp Elite has gained the nod of approval from many big car companies including Ford, Audi, and Kia, and has been built with a powerful 1.5 horsepower motor that can deliver spindle speeds of up to 150 RPM. It has a very user-friendly color touchscreen display and is compatible with various adapters. It can accommodate bolt sizes from 4.8 to 8.3 inches or 12.2 to 21.1 centimeters, giving you the flexibility to use it on more than just your own car. OEM Tools Pneumatic Fluid Extractors. Are you tired of having to manually pump out fluids from your car or boat? Are you looking for a way to get this rather icky job done without having to ever dirty your hands? Well, then maybe you should check out this dual mode pump from OEM Tools. Each model comes with a dual mode 120 PSI pump that can be used pneumatically or manually, and a special adapter. The extractor comes with a useful 5-foot or 1.52 meter hose, a tank capacity of 1.4 gallons or 5.3 liters, and a smart system to prevent overfilling. The pump can drain coolant, oil, or transmission fluid, and it is suitable not only for cars but also boats, jet skis, and really anything that needs a little fluid drained from it. This could be yours for $92. GoJack Wheel Dolly. Sometimes you and your car end up in places you never expected to. That's why the GoJack Wheel Dolly will help you get the job done in seconds, whether you're at a busy exhibition or navigating a crowded parking lot. With 6 steel-constructed models to choose from, there's one to suit every need. From the compact one weighing 37 pounds or 16.8 kilograms to the heavy-duty option at 53 pounds or 24 kilograms. They've got the muscle to handle loads ranging from 1,025 to 1,750 pounds, or 465 to 794 kilograms. They're easy to operate with either your hands or feet, so you can do it solo. Just grab 2 pairs of dollies to move your vehicle, or use 1 pair if you're just looking to turn it around. The precision racket and a sturdy steel pedal are used to lock it into place for added safety. And don't worry about scratches. These dollies sit low enough to avoid any damage to your paintwork, and their special steel or PVC rollers treat your tires with tender care. They start at $400 per unit. What would you say about a lift that can twist your car around with ease? Keep your eyes peeled. Eastwood 3,000-pound rotisserie. Restoration work is often a complex, time-consuming task that requires the help of some sort of mechanical device to carry out the job successfully. Many professionals know how difficult it can be to reach every intricate nook and cranny on their special project. But the creators of the Eastwood 3,000-pound rotisserie are confident that they have found a way to make this process much easier. They claim that their groundbreaking, completely energy-independent device can be used by a single person to achieve the same results that would normally require the help of several people. It has wheels, can be adjusted to different heights, and can tilt. Amazingly, it can easily lift up to 3,000 pounds, or 1,360.78 kilograms. It's equipped with a special locking mechanism too. All this can be yours for a price of $1,500. My Way Motive's Steel Car Body Pull System. The company behind this next product has been designing and producing a vast range of tailor-made solutions for some of the most complex problems faced by the industrial sector for over 55 years. It has an extensive history of creating many high-quality, innovative tools, and then sharing their decades of knowledge and know-how with the world. And one of the most popular products crafted by this esteemed Italian manufacturer is the Steel Spot Mark II, an incredibly versatile spotter that is fully interchangeable with nearly all commonly used consumables. This included wiggle wire and carbon electrodes, and it comes with 5 fully installed, usable preset working programs. Tulip Brake Mate. Mechanics have a very important job to do, and sometimes a very stressful and physically demanding one too. Not only are they responsible for keeping the modern world running smoothly, but often have to do some very hard work by themselves. Some trucks have complex 100-pound-plus braking systems, but the Tulip Brake Mate kit has been made to assist with the monotonous and hard task of working with hubs, calipers, and other brake parts. It ensures that the hub and axle align perfectly every time, protecting essential transmission parts. Included in the kit, you will find 2 dollies equipped with various adapters, and it works with all calipers located in a 3, 9, and 12 o'clock position. With this straightforward system, one person can efficiently manage the entire maintenance process, so you can end up slashing your labor costs by up to 50% while taking most of the heavy workload strain away. Even if spiders give you the heebie-jeebies, you'll love our tire spider. Equalizer Raptor. With the way most modern cars are designed, it's not as easy as it once was to remove a car window, especially if you're working alone. There is usually a very small gap between the window and the car body, and traditional methods like strings and knives can cause unintended damage. But now you can avoid all these pitfalls with the Equalizer Raptor system, which uses innovative Air Force technology to grip onto even broken glass like it's nobody's business. It can cut through even the toughest high-density polyurethane with little to no effort. No car is too small for the Raptor system. It charges quickly, and you can get it with a kit that has everything you need to get started, including a handy dashboard cover and a set of protective eyewear. The price for this kit is $1,070. Tire Spider. The next tool might not be for everyone, but some might even find it a little redundant. But if you feel like you sometimes need a bit of help with your vehicle maintenance, why not give it a try? The Tire Spider is being hailed as the new best way to change a tire and promises to do the job without removing the wheel in less than 15 minutes with minimal effort and no help from a friend. It's designed for use on rims ranging from 22 to 24 inches or 55.88 to 60.96 centimeters and tackles the job with a robust built-in hydraulic system. Your safety is guaranteed thanks to a proactive cage, and all the kit parts together weigh 287 pounds or 130.18 kilograms. The price is $241. Trolley IW1. Impact wrenches are incredibly useful tools. They're efficient, portable, versatile, save a lot of time, deliver high torque output, and are very easy to use. But they can also be incredibly dangerous if used improperly. Luckily, someone has already realized this, and now we have this very comfy looking solution. This cart will revolutionize how you handle impact wrenches, especially when you're tinkering with cars and trucks. It gives you a comfy seat, smooth wheels, and a reliable handbrake, all in one package. Whether you're a gearhead at home or a pro in the garage, it's the ultimate sidekick. It's not just a seat on wheels either. It's got compartments to stash your tools and bits as well as vibration damping to keep things steady during those long repair sessions. It's built to handle wrenches up to 44 pounds or 19.96 kilograms, so don't worry about it buckling under pressure. Priced around $4,100, it's a pricey but solid choice, and so is the Gripper Workshop that's coming up soon. Sealy SCR 18 range. This next entry might be one of the smartest design shakeups we have seen in a long time, and it's one that will save a whole lot of frustration for a whole lot of people. Created in the UK, this clever organizer seat has two folding side trays for small parts and a separate section to keep your screwdrivers, drills, and other tools. It's also got sliding drawers perfect for wrenches and the likes. It's built to be tough enough to support up to 300 pounds or 136 kilograms, and it's covered in a thick vinyl lining, so it will last you through many years of use. What's also good to know is that it's equipped with a set of durable, oil-resistant swivel wheels. The model on screen stands at a height of around 16 inches or 40.64 centimeters, weighs just 29 pounds or 13.5 kilograms, and currently retails for around $233. Easy Gripper Workshop. And now for a very mobile and versatile solution to all your tire handling needs. The Easy Gripper Workshop makes it possible for a single operator to get through enormous amounts of work quickly and easily. It includes a very handy 3-position gripper to minimize tire damage and reduce injury risk, all while allowing a single operator to lift, tilt, and move tires all day if they have to. It will be extremely useful in both car repair shops and assembly lines. This hard-working workshop comes in different versions, like connecting with an existing stacker or a full solution. It can handle tires with a diameter of up to 85 inches or 216 centimeters and a weight of 2,200 pounds or 997.9 kilograms. There is an optional upgrade available for larger tires up to 95 inches or 241.3 centimeters, and it even has a camera that works well in low light conditions thanks to its convenient IR mode settings, so you can always see what you're doing. Carnage Tool CT Racer Mechanics Creeper. Most mechanics know that their job is going to be hard on their back and legs, especially if they have to spend hours literally crawling under a car or truck. And that's where this very cool creeper from Carnage Tools comes in, priced at a very reasonable $90. This stylish red creeper is capable of handling up to 300 pounds or 136 kilograms with ease. It comes with very convenient tool recesses on the sides, metal inserts on top for holding flashlights, EVA polymer material padded areas in the back, shoulder and neck regions for added comfort, and it's only 41 inches or 104.1 centimeters long. It is equipped with 6 casters, so you will most likely have the most comfortable working experience of your life when using it. Stay tuned for an innovative modern pneumatic jack. Tire Mount Stacker Manipulator. Some things are better left to machines, and in the case of wheel mounting, the human simply should not be the one who is doing the actual, often quite unsafe work. And that's where this impressive new gadget from the US-based company GCI Engineered Solutions steps in to take over. This manipulator is not just for show either. It can streamline the production process across entire industries, from handling toothpaste tubes to heavy-duty trucks, and it makes jobs like putting on wheels and swapping out tires on those big rigs way easier and safer. This stacker can withstand up to 40 pounds or 18.14 kilograms and has a manual tilt of 90 degrees, but some models can lift an impressive 3,000 pounds or 1,360 kilograms. Dynamoto Movable Motorcycle Stand. With around 4,000 events celebrating them each year, and a good portion of the population owning one, it's safe to say Australians love their bikes, and so it's only natural that a product like this would be made by a company based there. With this movable motorcycle stand, there will be nowhere you can't take your bike. The addition of multi-directional wheels allows you to not only move the bike forward or backward, but also sideways, giving you unparalleled freedom of movement, even in the most restrictive of places, positions, or situations. Take it with you to trade shows, galleries, auctions, and everything in between. And you can get it brand specific, like BMW or Harley-Davidson, and take an all-purpose option for road bikes with 17 or 19-inch or 43 and 48 centimeter front wheels. You can find kits starting at $400 on the company's website, or individual stands starting at $260. WRD Glass Tools Handling Cup. From the telephone to insulin and the light bulb, it seems Canadian inventions are some of the practical and essential around, and this genius little gadget seems to be no exception. Developed by a company already known for innovative solutions in the WRD series, the Glass Tools Handling Cup is about to change the way you work with your car. Whether you're mounting, dismounting, or carrying different components, this tool's straightforward design and compact size will live up to its reputation. The robust, nearly 6-inch suction cup is equipped with means you can even use on windshields, and its clever design structure reduces the effort needed for pumping. This extends its lifespan and saves you energy. The VP3 suction cup also provides a 12% stronger grip than its counterparts, and the standard version will only set you back $55. After you're done with the handling cup, you can use our next air gun for an exceptional cleanup. Bend It 2.0. Here's a tool you didn't know you needed, but might not be able to forget after seeing it. The technology used in its design already has patent protection, so you know it will deliver results, and it's bound to become a staple in every professional automotive technician's toolbox before long. This piece of German-designed ingenuity comes in a kit that includes the tool itself, 3 attachments, a holder, and a convenient carrying case. A user manual is also included for guidance. The Bend It 2.0 works at a pressure range of about 29 to 43 psi, is perfect for bending car sheet metal and wheel arcs. Because of its quick-release coupling system, you can easily swap different attachments to fit various shapes and material conditions. It's small and easy to use too, measuring 13 by 6 by 3 inches or 33.02 by 15.24 by 7.62 centimeters and weighing only about 11 pounds or 5 kilograms. It's definitely big enough to handle any job though. Right now, the price is available on request only, but how much do you think it's worth? Blackridge Portable Air Sand Blast Gun. Blackridge, a proudly Australian company that has been making quality gadgets and spare parts for cars, is now moving their expertise. Their focus is on creating a unique new kind of air blasting gun that will tackle all the hard, grimy work of removing old paint, rust, and other unwanted substances from just about any surface. Now, it doesn't matter how much you have to do, because this powerful little machine will help you through it all. It fits snugly and comfortably into one hand and delivers an amazing maximum pressure of around 120 psi. It also features a high-capacity 2.6 gallon or 9.8 liter hopper with a convenient carrying handle and a genius 15-foot or 4.57 meter hose. It only sells for around $100. ESCO Bladder Jack 92040. If the previous jack on our selection didn't quite make the cut, and you feel you might need something a bit more robust, why don't you have a look at this fully pneumatic version with a price tag of just over $400? Compared to hydraulic and screw jacks, this pneumatic model has far fewer components, which means much less upkeep over time. It even comes with a dual safety valve system to keep it from wildly swinging or dropping uncontrollably when carrying weight. The EzCo bladder jack has a lift height ranging from approximately 4.5 inches to a maximum of 17 inches, or 11.43 to 43.18 centimeters. It can handle loads weighing up to 4,400 pounds, or 1,996.04 kilograms, and it's specifically suited to use on SUVs and light trucks. Our last tool will be the ideal fix for all car owners. Rapid jack. Despite how simple it may look, using a jack to change a tire is not easy, and the process requires some know-how, luck, and a lot of patience. But if you don't have any of those, you can always give the rapid jack a try, and see why it is the best thing to have if you are an outdoor enthusiast. Not only does this marvelous, uncomplicated device make changing tires a lot faster and easier, but it boasts a user-friendly design that helps you level your vehicle correctly on the very first attempt, every time. You don't need to evacuate your entire camper either. For $45, you can get the jack, a leveler, and a chock. You can safely bet on its 30,000-pound or 13,608 kilogram load capacity, and it works on wheels up to 32 inches or 81.28 centimeters in diameter. Finkbeiner FHB 3000. Since we don't have Superman's strength, the #1 concern of any man working on cars in his garage is how to lift them. Enter the Finkbeiner FHB 3000, the only car lift you'll ever need. Whether you have a small car like a VW Beetle or a huge panel van, this is the ideal car lift system. It boasts a lifting capacity of 6,600 pounds or 3,000 kilograms, and its smart hydraulic system can lift the vehicle in question up to a height of 6 feet or 1.8 meters. It's fitted with mechanical and hydraulic safety features to ensure that you can work underneath your car with complete peace of mind, and a complete lift or drop will only take 40 seconds of your time. It will cost you $14,880, but this is a lifelong investment. Wouldn't a car lift and mobile station that can drive right to you be the ultimate innovation? Well, stay tuned to hear more. Panda lift. Every man wants to be able to feel like James Bond every once in a while, and if this is the goal, the Panda Lift is the ultimate invention for your home garage. This is a secret layer of sorts, only for your motorcycle. Whether you need to save space, want to keep your motorcycle safe from thieves, or need to hide your new purchase from the missus, the Panda Lift will be exactly the installation for the job. The design is built into the floor of your garage, and when your motorcycle is parked on top, it seamlessly lowers down and closes the gap in the floor. This magic trick will make it look like you don't even have a motorcycle at all. And who wouldn't want to show off their motorcycle hiding spot to all their friends? Kinchrome Carbon Creeper. When it comes to mechanic creeper tools, there's only one king, the Kinchrome Carbon Creeper, a modern and versatile solution for working under vehicles. This used to be back-breaking labor, but now this ergonomically designed mechanic chair ensures long, easy hours of work. It's rated for 286 pounds or 130 kilograms, and it's even designed to have special holders on the side, so you can take your tools with you on the move. Thanks to the clever hook slot, it can be hung up in your home garage for easy breezy storage, and it'll only cost you a reasonable $145. This is not the only cool chair out there, so keep watching to find out where to find the superior one-size-fits-all chair. BendPak MDS 6LPF. Up next, we have a scissor lift that is quite unrivaled in its class. The efficient BendPak MDS 6LPF is the best investment for a home garage and a professional auto workshop alike, since it has an impressive lifting capacity of 6,000 pounds or 2.7 tons. Thanks to the simple design, it's installed relatively quickly and easily, and the base is mounted into the floor to ensure it doesn't take up valuable space in your workshop or garage. The BendPak MDS 6LPF has a lifting height of around 45 inches or 114 centimeters, so it's ideal even if you don't have very high ceilings in your garage. At only $5,400, this is definitely a garage upgrade we can justify. Norbar Protonic Plus. Torque wrenches are some of the most important tools that every man's home garage needs, but what about a single torque wrench that can do it all? The Norbar Protonic Plus has a convenient Bluetooth control function that could be done on an app, and from an angle finder to a built-in torque meter, it really does have it all. The price tag is a bit steep at $1,370, but it will make your life so much easier that you never look back. This is a British-made wrench that boasts the best technology, and it has a capacity of around 590 foot-pounds, or 800 Newton-meters. Sometimes integrating technology into your garage tools is a great decision, and the Norbar Protonic Plus definitely won't disappoint. Power-built ratcheting caliper piston tool. For our next cool tool, we have a gadget that is guaranteed to save you tons of time and effort. The Power-built ratcheting caliper piston tool. This cleverly designed tool was built in the US, and it's designed to work on the brake system of nearly any car or vehicle. The device easily inserts it into the brake calipers to let you do your job, and whether you need to work on 1, 2, or 4 piston calipers at once, it will not disappoint. The Power-built ratcheting caliper piston tool is extremely versatile and can even be used for your lug nuts. But rest assured, the detailed step-by-step manual will ensure that even newbies in the DIY world will know exactly how to use it. The tool has a price tag of $65, which makes this purchase a complete no-brainer. Do you have an itch for homemade garage gadgets too? We'll get to how you can make your very own soon. Spill-free funnel. Don't you just hate it when you're working on a car in your garage and keep spilling coolant on the floor? All your problems will now be a thing of the past thanks to this inventive spill-free funnel. The plastic funnel and set of 5 adapters can be purchased for $46, and it will be compatible with any and every car on the market. When in operation, the device allows the user to ensure all excess air is removed from the cooling system. But this is not all. You can now use the spill-free funnel to precisely control the volume of coolant in your car, as well as leave it for unsupervised filling. Does your car have radiator caps that are placed at an impossibly awkward angle? Rest assured, the angle adjustment of this funnel will ensure you can now work effortlessly in any hard-to-reach place. Sealy VSO 571 Brake Disc Caliper. The brakes are arguably the most important part of any vehicle, and regularly checking your brake calipers to ensure they don't thin out beyond function is crucial. Thankfully, you don't have to take your entire wheel off to do this every time. The Sealy VSO 571 Brake Disc Caliper will do the job for you. The specialized tool you see on the screen right now is extremely accurate. You simply need to stick it over the brake caliper and measure away. The tool is only $82, and it can work on cars, trucks, and motorcycles, so it's one of those one-size-fits-all tools you definitely need. Matco MT2612. One of the most groundbreaking changes in the world of tools was to switch from manual to pneumatic-operated tools. And the Matco MT2612 is very likely the coolest impact wrench we have ever seen. It's estimated that in the next 7 years, the impact wrench market will grow to $3.8 billion, and the Matco MT2612 is definitely leading this charge. The ultra-thin head of this tool is adjustable up to 180 degrees, and the handle can make a full 360-degree rotation for easy work in even the hardest-to-reach nooks and crannies. The manufacturer states that this impact wrench provides a steady 400 foot-pounds, or 452 Newton-meters of torque, so its price tag of $370 is definitely justified. DIY car ramp. The good news for every man is that you don't have to fork out thousands of dollars to make a cool upgrade. You can simply put your welding skills to use. This ingenious car ramp was designed to be exceptionally simple, and you'll be able to remake this straightforward design in your own garage. It's basically a mini ramp that is ideal for car garages without a pit, and they can even be used outdoors. The ramps and platforms together total about 27 pounds or 12.2 kilograms, and this specific design can lift your car to a height of 25.5 inches or 65 centimeters. There is now even an invention that lets you squeeze more cars into your garage. Keep watching to find out more. Power-built Universal LED Brake Fluid Tester. Getting back to the brakes of your car, here's another absolutely essential tool that will definitely be a lifesaver. Your brake fluid needs to be up to standard and not contain too much water. But with the Powerbuilt Universal LED Brake Fluid Tester, you'll no longer have to play guessing games. The portable brake fluid tester can analyze your brake fluid within seconds, telling you exactly how much water is in your brake fluid and if it needs to be replaced. This is one of the handiest car tools we have seen so far. And since it only sells for $50, it's an investment you can make today. Eastwood Superflex Tool Tray Set. A garage is only as good as its tools, and with this next amazing gadget, tool clutter will be a thing of the past. The Eastwood Superflex Tool Tray Set is the ultimate tool organizer, and it's got lots of compartments for your different tools and comes in 3 convenient sizes to fit into any space. This tool organizer is made from rubber that is completely resistant to abrasive fluids you'll find in the workplace, such as antifreeze, oil, and gasoline. And even when you're placing it on uneven surfaces, the tool has an anti-slip coating to ensure effortless grip on any surface. A set of the 3 different size tray sets will only cost $35. So now you can also be an organization pro in your garage. Astro AI Air Compressor. Struggling with flat tires is no longer a worry when you invest in the nifty Astro AI Air Compressor, a compact device that you can take with you everywhere you go. The set comes with a whole range of different nozzles, so you'll be able to fix any inflatable from your car tire to a bicycle flat or pool inflatables. The advanced tool can take a tire from 0 psi to 35 psi in under 5 minutes, and to ensure easy work even at night. It has a built-in flashlight that will illuminate your garage. At a price tag of $28, there's no better gadget to jump on. Air compressors are great, but if you keep watching, we'll also dive into the best garage vacuum that is out of sight when not in use. Parking slider. How frustrating is it when you have 2 cars and enough garage space, but only 1 entry garage door? Well, with this parking slider, you can say goodbye to wasted space within your garage and one of your cars sleeping out in the cold. If you have one friend over for the day, the 2 of you will be able to knock out the assembly in only a few hours with the provided DIY kit. The clever car slider can move a weight of 6,000 pounds or 2.7 tons, and with its half-horsepower motor, it'll slide your car around with ease. The price starts at about $2,000, but the manufacturers do offer clients the option to customize their parking slider. Grid Pro. A man's garage is his ultimate happy place, but you do need to ensure that your garage can handle the strain of endless projects and fixer-uppers. Grid Pro is the best garage flooring by far, and it's a great solution for the grimy old concrete floors most garages have. These floors are incredibly tough, and the material is designed to be resistant to acids, alkalis, gasoline, and solvents, so you never have to worry about spilling a drop. The Grid Pro flooring boasts a compressive strength of 215 bar or 3,120 psi, and this is proven to be even stronger than certain types of concrete. These flooring tiles will also be unaffected by temperatures as high as 248 degrees Fahrenheit or 120 degrees Celsius. Vroom Retract Vac. With the Vroom Retract Vac, keeping your garage spotless will now be easier than ever before. The hose will be completely out of your way when not in use, and it effortlessly links up with the existing dust extraction systems or vacuum cleaners you already have. The vacuum hose automatically coils back up after use, which is a nifty trick considering the fact that it can extend to a length of 50 feet or 15 meters. The system works with various nozzles for easy cleaning of any nook and cranny, and this revolutionary vacuuming tool only costs $399. It's hard to think of any reasons why you shouldn't buy this Vroom Retract Vac for your garage today. Powerbuilt 3-in-1 Underdash Creeper. Versatility is the name of the game when it comes to modern tools for your garage, and this multifunctional creeper definitely fits the bill. The Powerbuilt 3-in-1 Underdash Creeper is the transformer of the creeper world, since it provides the perfect platform to roll underneath cars while working on them. The wheels can move in any direction, offering unparalleled maneuverability. But this is not all. You can adjust the creeper to be the perfect height for working underneath the dashboard, without having to improvise yoga poses. And if you need to work on your knees, the convenient and comfortable knee pad is detachable. The underdash creeper can support 400 pounds or 180 kilograms. And for a price tag of only $240, this is finally an affordable yet amazing creeper that will definitely revolutionize your garage. This workshop tool is cool, but it's only the tip of the iceberg. Want to see new age garage storage systems? Keep your eyes peeled. Big Boy Washer Pro. Our next garage gadget proves that you don't need to be a car buff to design something really cool, since the creator of the Big Boy Wash Pro had no previous experience but managed to create one of the best car tools ever. First up, this is the quietest car wash system you'll find, operating at only 80 decibels. As modern technology requires, it's fitted with brushless induction, which means it'll last about 4 times longer than your average model. The car wash system has a flow rate of 2.5 gallons or 9.5 liters per minute and has an impressive pressure capability of 130 bar or 1,850 psi. It can operate in temperatures as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius, and all these cool perks definitely help us look past the $1,000 price tag. Unifox. Unifox has been hard at work to create the latest and best garage and car shop multi-tool, and this all-purpose assistant will definitely come in handy. The tool can be used to carefully and easily unstick a wheel from the tire hub when it gets stuck. But this is only the start. Wheel play is exceptionally dangerous on cars, but this tool can easily identify and point out if your wheel or joints have any play, possibly acting as a life-saving investment. The tool is ideal for wheels with sizes ranging from 13 to 22 inches or 550 to 800 millimeters, and it'll definitely save you both time and elbow grease. As a last bonus, it's also designed to not scratch or damage your rims at all. BeadBuster Lighting Systems. We've often wished that we had the light spell casting abilities of Harry Potter when working in a dimly lit corner of our car, but thanks to the magic wand from BeadBuster Lighting Systems, you'll never have to fumble around in the dark again. The technological gadget that is the BeadBuster lighting system is the best car lighting tool around, and it will help you easily spot dents and all imperfections on your car. It's suited for inspection of any car type and color, since it has impressive color temperature adjustment options, and on a single charge. It can run for a total of 12 hours. The device is also sturdy and can handle the rough life of a garage tool, and at only 4.4 pounds or 2 kilograms, it's a compact and invaluable addition to your garage or auto workshop. This light will cost you a bit more than most at $2,500 for the kit, but no other light has been able to compare to this shining marvel. What do you think of paint curing lamps? Stay tuned in to see why you definitely need one. Lightsticks LS36 SMD. Star Wars fans, listen up. This next garage lighting gadget will definitely be your lightsaber dreams come true. The Lightsticks LS36 SMD is a diode work light that is fitted with 36 LED bulbs for optimal illumination, and thanks to its impressive battery, it runs for 6 straight hours on one charge. We're pretty sure the manufacturers had some part to play in the purposefully lightsaber design. And it has a sturdy and strong outer housing to ensure your lights inside will be safe at all times. The light also has swivel mounts and built-in magnets, so it can be attached just about anywhere you are working. This modern lighting tool will only cost you $105, and it's certainly one of the coolest looking you can buy. MyLifter 2.0. You can now kiss garage storage issues goodbye, since the MyLifter 2.0 is now finally here. Whether your garage is being cluttered up by bicycles, remote-controlled cars, or kayaks, MyLifter 2.0 will come to your rescue. It's equipped to pull loads of up to 100 pounds or 45 kilograms up to the roof. But you can also go a bit further and invest in the model that can handle an increased load of 440 pounds or 200 kilograms. For anyone who likes assembling things, this will feel like Lego heaven, but rest assured, there are experts who will help you set up this impressive garage lifting system. You can set up your MyLifter system so that the platforms work together, and a bicycle setup is able to hoist 3 bikes at once. Installing this setup in your garage will cost a steep $5,000, but this does include the professional assistance and a garage storage system that will elevate your space literally. Wheel Trolley Tower Lift. In 2022 alone, more than 84.5 million cars were produced, and that's about 338 million wheels to be exact. This is not even mentioning the millions of cars that were already in use, and all this adds up to a whole lot of wheel changing and maintenance. For anyone who has ever replaced a flat tire on their car, you'll know that tires are not exactly lightweight, and this is why the wheel trolley tower lift is such a revolutionary leap. This smart lift is able to raise and lower tires and wheels up to 17 feet or 5.3 meters, and it's got just enough space for someone inside to easily reach up, grab, or place their wheels. It's able to operate in a space of 5 feet or 1.4 meters, so it's ideal for reaching the top of your wheel tower. There are 2 battery options to choose from, individually offering 3 and 10 hours of use. And to make this device stand out, the manufacturers even threw in a cool rear view camera feature. The wheel trolley tower lift can support a weight of 400 pounds or 180 kilograms, so keep your eyes peeled for the price. Beta 1950 BZK. On the topic of car tires, we have the Beta 1950 BZK, a state-of-the-art bead booster that will ensure inflating your tires is a breeze. The model shown here has a 5-gallon or 18-liter tank, and with its advanced technology, it's able to provide 16 bars of 232 psi of pressure. The Beta 1950 BZK also has a built-in pressure gauge, and with an easy carry handle, you'll never struggle to take this tool wherever you go. At a price tag of $2,107, this is the ideal tool for home garages and workshops. Beating tires is cool and all, but moving your motorcycle around can still be tricky. The solution for this is coming up soon. Battery puller. Moving on, we have a garage tool that will make working on the body of your car much easier. This helper is basically a spot welding machine, and when it secures to the bodywork and slowly heats up the metal, it is the perfect way to gently remove dents. This is far from the end of why the battery puller is a must-have tool though, since it also has a double-sided welding mode and is great for patch installation. The tool is super compact at only 9 pounds, or 4 kilograms, so storage and use will always be a breeze. For a price tag of $1,212, there aren't many other tools in this category that can compete. Worth Nut Buddy. Mechanics have their hands full with all the kinds of machines and vehicles out there. And apart from the millions of cars being made every year, more than 148,000 tractors were also sold in 2020 around America, Canada, and Europe. Thankfully, there are tools like the Worth Nut Buddy on the market that will simplify this hard work. The Worth Nut Buddy is tailored to work on agricultural vehicles and has a ratio of 58:1. Whether you have rusted or stuck bolts, nothing will be a challenge for this modern gadget. As a bonus, it boasts a whopping 2,950 foot-pounds, or 4,000 Newton-meters of torque, and it comes standard with 2 head sizes, 1.3 and 1.5 inches, or 33 and 38 millimeters. The price tag is thankfully an affordable $238. Bike lifter. Just because motorcycles are more compact than cars doesn't always mean they are easier to transport and move around. This next bike lifter changes all this though, and this stand completely revolutionizes the process of moving your motorcycle around in your garage and loading it up onto a truck bed. The Japanese model of the bike lifter has 2 wheels and a bearing that measures around 21.5 by 11 inches, or 545 by 275 millimeters. It can even be useful for when you're working on your car wheels, so the practicality of this tool knows no bounds. It has a price tag of only $112, which is a steal if you ask us. Snap-on Epic EUV. Paying $35,000 for a tool cabinet does sound a bit insane, but once you learn of the immensely cool features of the Snap-on Epic EUV, you'll understand just why this price tag is so high. Firstly, the gigantic tool cabinet can basically double as a workstation, and the good news is that the entire thing is mounted on wheels. The weight capacity of this tool cabinet is a hugely impressive 16,000 pounds, or 7.2 tons, and it has a clever design to ensure everything you need will always be in reach. It has speed draw drawers and dividers, so every tool will have its own designated space, and the drawers are 62 inches or 157.5 centimeters wide. Would you spend this to make the ultimate garage upgrade? Cabinets and shelves are cool, but have you ever imagined a refrigerator and freezer that can open hands-free? We'll get to that after we take a look at some more cool gadgets. Wintec Wheel Assist. Tire and trucking businesses will surely appreciate the next entry on our list. We have the second generation WinTech Wheel Assist Rack, a gadget complete with a nifty built-in mini ramp and a weight handling capacity of up to 132 pounds or 60 kilograms. It's a no-frills rack that doesn't need any complicated electrical, hydraulic, or pneumatic parts to work, so anyone can use it. It is definitely going to become your go-to piece of equipment for effortlessly taking off, storing, and putting on wheels. What makes this tool even more alluring is the fact that it's a grab-and-go kind of device. It's super straightforward to use and maintain. Right now, you can snag it for just $1,165. Ryobi Link. Ryobi is a tried and tested name in the world of tools and equipment, and when you want a tailored storage system that can be expanded to meet the growing needs of your garage, the Ryobi Link is the way to go. This unique forward-thinking storage system is specially designed to be as convenient as possible, and it offers endless customization options. This means that it can be changed and updated as you acquire more tools. So it'll be the perfect organization system whether you are an amateur hobbyist to a fully fledged DIY master. It can be used to store tools and other small items, and it makes use of portable, reusable, and universal fastening components. A single 80-pound or 36-kilogram container will set you back around $60. Suinfla Portable Inflatable Paint Booth. Thanks to this trailblazing Chinese company, it now only takes 2 people and a few minutes to set up one seriously impressive inflatable paint booth that takes care of the problem of painting in your garage. They're 39 by 16.5 by 13 feet, or 12 by 5 by 4 meter models, priced at $1,658, is making waves in the industry. This booth is equipped with built-in hooks to hang extra lamps and is made from sturdy 210D Oxford fabric that ensures worry-free operation. The portable inflatable paint booth comes in a package that includes 2 blowers, one for inflating the booth and the other for ventilation while you're inside. This is definitely one of the best car painting tools we've seen. Ventilation inside your painting booth is important, but what about ventilation inside your home garage? Keep watching to see how you can solve this problem. Hexagon IRT Power Cure. Next, we have yet another revolutionary tool for car painters, and rest assured, it's as advanced as it can be. This renowned Swedish technology company Hexagon, known and trusted for their reliable, top-of-the-range products, have now launched their new range of powerful lamps specially designed to turn any traditional paint booth into an inviolably efficient curing booth. These lamps are equipped with high-grade reflectors that ensure an even heat distribution, and they will automatically adjust to the required angle and position needed. The Hexagon IRT Power Cure can be used in nearly any kind of booth thanks to its special fixable rails. These painting lamps are produced under the well-known IRT brand, and because of the system's integrated microprocessors, each lamp is designed to last more than 20,000 hours. What really stands out is the fact that these lamps can dry and cure any base paint coat in only 4 minutes. A setup will cost you around $4,000. Netterman. Working in your home garage, one of the main concerns is the buildup of toxic exhaust gases and welding fumes, and the importance of clean air cannot be overstated. Netterman has made it their mission to solve this problem, and this company now offers highly effective and state-of-the-art air purification systems. This device is able to cater to everyone from mobile medical workers to active firefighters, and will remove a range of nasty and potentially harmful floating substances like dust and fumes floating around in any confined space. To prove why this is such a good investment, their tried and tested products are already installed in more than 100,000 emergency care rooms alone. Simply plug it over your car's exhaust and enjoy amazingly clean air. Viper Robust Steel Pro. We don't usually give a whole lot of attention to the chairs we sit on, but considering that around 80% of employees in the US alone spend their entire workday sitting, it's crucial to have the best chair. Enter the Viper Robust Steel Pro Chair, the chair of all chairs. It stands at a fixed height of 19 inches or 48 centimeters, and this simple yet robust stool doesn't try to overcomplicate the whole comfortable seating business. Yet it still manages to be the perfect fit for people of any height or body type, with its surprisingly basic yet highly effective design. This version currently sells for around $395 and is equipped with 4-inch or 10-centimeter diameter wheels. For perfect comfort, the stool is constructed out of a super sturdy 3.5-inch or 9-centimeter thick foam. The best perk, the manufacturers promise that it will always provide the user with the ideal 90-degree leg angle, ensuring optimal comfort, balance, and support at all times. (911) Soundbar 2.0 Pro. Next up, we have a limited edition system that will definitely appeal to the lovers of the Porsche 992 GT3 exhaust sound. And while it does cost $11,300, there are only 500 of them ever made. Following that logic, it's not hard to see why the sleek, expertly crafted Soundbar 2.0 Pro might be worth the steep investment. The unique design aims to emulate both the distinctive character and look of the iconic, original Porsche 992 GT3 exhaust system, and it delivers a powerful performance of 300 watts, ensuring you a sound experience that's going to be hard to beat. The system effortlessly connects to your devices via Bluetooth 5.0 or HDMI ports for convenience, and it weighs in at around 143 pounds, or 65 kilograms. Thankfully, it also comes with an elegant stand for those who prefer not to have it wall-mounted. Mobile car repair service. This next piece of machinery might very well be the future of mobile car repair services, and in some places like the ever-technologically innovative China, it's already rolling through the roads and making a few repairmen's lives a whole lot simpler. This tiny truck is so much more than its namesake, and it does not only double as an indispensable and incredibly efficient mobile workshop, but it's armed with an impressive heavy-duty 6,600-pound or 3-ton car lift. Next time you have a breakdown next to the road, you may just see one of these mobile car repair service trucks rolling your way. Gladiator All-Refrigerator and Upright Freezer. Behold the Gladiator All-Refrigerator and Upright Freezer, another innovative and elegant addition to its creator's already expansive storage-focused empire. This time they are going beyond cabinets and shelves and have ventured into the realm of refrigerators and freezers with their game-changingly convenient pedal-operated model, the first of its kind in the industry. When your hands are full, you can simply step on the stylish stainless steel pedal, and the door will effortlessly pop open. Both the refrigerator and freezer boast a generous 132 gallons or 500-liter capacity, and share identical dimensions, approximately 31 inches or 78 centimeters in width, and 72.25 inches or 184 centimeters in height. What's even more intriguing is that the manufacturers are offering both units at the same enticing price of just $1,440 each. So it's clear that the time to make an upgrade to your refrigeration system is now. Now you may need to clean your garage and vehicles after grabbing a cold one from your cool fridge, and we have a solution for this coming up as well. Mule Garage Fan Plus Mobile Workshop. Workshops are typically a hive of activity, and one of the things you often have to put up with when you're hard at work on your projects is an inevitable buildup of heat and stuffy air. Thankfully, there are now a range of powerful and versatile heavy-duty fans to choose from on the market, and this one from the innovative Mule Company is one of the best around. The air in your workshop will be crisp and welcoming because this 3-speed fan can circulate at an impressive speed of 3,000 cubic feet or 85 cubic meters per minute. Installation is also a piece of cake, since all you need is 2 self-tapping screws. The fan comes with a nifty stand that you can use to move it around with you as you work if you don't want it to dispense from the ceiling, and it can even be transformed into a handy hand truck. The creators didn't skimp on convenience either, and threw in a generous 8 feet or 2.4 meters long cable for added mobility, and there are also several outlets. The top version comes loaded with extras, including an LED light, an extension cord, and a tool tray, proving that it's not just a fan, it's a versatile workshop on wheels for only $220. Giraffe Tools Grand Falls Pressure Washer G20. No home garage is complete without a sturdy pressure washer, and with the new Grand Falls G20 washer from Giraffe Tools, all your cleaning needs are about to be met with exceedingly impressive expertise and the dirt blasting power of around 152 bar or 2,200 psi right at your fingertips. The ready-to-use all-in-one unit features a nifty rotating wall-mounted design, a unique 180-degree rotating bracket, 4 interchangeable nozzles with spray angles ranging from 0 to 40 degrees, and a total stop system that conserves water by completely shutting off when you need to take a break. The built-in reel in the washer will eliminate the possibility of any tricky tangles happening as you work, and it also comes with a durable 65 feet or 19.2 meter long high-pressure hose. This remarkable pressure washer retails right now for about $260. Miracle System. Have you ever watched a car repair show and found yourself fascinated at how quickly, easily, and perfectly they manage to flawlessly fix even the worst-looking dents in what seems to be no time at all? That's because they probably have one of these miracle systems hidden away behind the scenes. The puller on screen is a conveniently sized powerhouse, managing as many as 30 pulls in a minute. The welding stage will be over in a blink and you'll miss it time of 0.3 seconds flat. And to streamline the entire process even more, it comes equipped with 3 square and 3 round stops in several different sizes. This gives you unparalleled precision and control over your specific work area. And to kick things off and tackle the damaged area, all you have to do is spot weld the base to the dent and pull the handle. If you're ready to snag this time-saving wonder, it can be yours for $3,000. These amazing tools will definitely transform your home garage. And next up, be sure to watch our countdown of more garage inventions.